My name is Ara, and I'm the CEO and founder at Solar Insure. At Solar Insure, we provide warranty protection plans to homeowners who purchase solar energy systems. We provide an insurance-backed solution that gives consumers peace of mind as they transition to renewables. We have helped thousands of homeowners across the country make that transition in a smooth and efficient manner. We are very excited about renewable energy and the positive impact it will have on people and our economy. I founded Solar Insure to give consumers the confidence and assurance that the investment they are making is safe and worthwhile. An investment not only great for the planet, but also for their family's financial future with energy independence. And as an agent broker specializing in renewables for the past 10 years, I've had the opportunity to speak to many homeowners and solar contractors about the hesitations consumers have about purchasing solar energy. Number one, there's a high upfront cost. Two, it's a long-term investment. And three, it's a newer technology with many unknowns. From a cost perspective, it can cost anywhere from $15,000 to $25,000 for a standard 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. And that's typically financed over anywhere from a 10 to 20-year period. And it's a newer technology on the residential side. You have someone climbing on your roof, drilling holes, someone fiddling with your electrical panel. So there's many concerns from the homeowner's perspective about the long-term viability of solar. And we help alleviate some of those concerns with our monitoring technology. We're consistently monitoring their system for any issues or errors. So let's say year 5, there's a panel error, we're automatically notified. We'll connect with the manufacturer and the original solar contractor and facilitate the RMA process. We also provide an insurance-backed solution. So again, year 5, a panel may fail, but this time the manufacturer is insolvent or can't handle the claim, then our insurance carrier steps in and pays for that replacement panel. And we provide 24/7 support, which consumers love. So anytime they have any questions, pre or post installation, our team of solar specialists are there to answer their questions. And we work with great distribution partners across the country who resell our products. These are some of the best solar contractors, finance companies, and solar software companies across the country who resell our product at the point of sale. And we have over 75 of these partners signed up and selling our products, and we have helped over 5,000 homeowners transitioning to solar. We're cash flow positive and revenue generating. And solar is a really fast growing industry. Only 3 to 4% of homeowners currently have solar installed. We anticipate that reaching about 20 to 25% by 2030. So there's a tremendous amount of growth left for the industry. Recently, after the extreme weather events in Texas that knocked down the grid, one of our partners received over 1,000 phone calls in a 3-day period. They typically get 1 to 200 per month. So there's tremendous demand for the values of solar and battery backup. And the future is bright, not just for solar, but for the complete smart energy connected home. This also includes battery storage, EV charging, energy efficient windows, and smart AC and heating. So we see a great opportunity to expand our product line, not just to solar, but the complete connected energy efficient home, giving consumers complete energy independence. And we're also very excited about all the data and analytics that we're collecting. We connect to every smart energy home through the inverter to monitor their systems, and we're collecting data as far as energy usage, appliance up and down time, and various other data points. And that gives us an advantage over traditional home warranties companies who don't have access to that data. It also gives us an advantage as far as precision underwriting and price modeling. And we believe we have a great team to execute our plan. Over 25 years of collective renewable energy experience on our team. Everyone's really passionate about renewable energies, climate change, and energy independence. And we believe we have the team to successfully meet our core mission. We are looking for partners who share our values and our core mission, carrier partners interested in value add to the consumer market, reinsurers for additional capacity, and distribution partners who are interested in working with us and expanding our product line and extending our reach globally. Let's change the world together for the better. Renewable energy is a great opportunity to help the planet while increasing your bottom line. Again, my name is Ara. I'm the CEO and founder of Solar Insure. Thank you for your time, and thank you to the GIA.